Sure enough, I didn't quite have enough. So I'm going to pull this through on this end. And since that's going to be the very end, um, there, I might be able to catch a little in the side of the blue, but I'm not going to leave a very long tail on there because of that. So now I need to get the other piece and put through here, and I have these on this side that I'm going to put them in. I have threaded the new needle, and I have pulled the thread over this way, again, so that the thickness of them both are pretty much the same. I pull it through, I want to make sure I don't pull that all the way and pull that out. But now I'm going back and completing my crosses. Again, I don't usually like to switch threads if I'm using floss from a different dye lot, even if it's the exact same DMC number, because sometimes there can be a little variation. So they're pretty good. But these two pieces of floss were from the same piece. I had separated the strands. So remember, we're only using 3 strands for this one. Okay, so I've gotten back to that middle spot where I had jumped up. So I am now ready to do this half over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish this half over here. And then I'm going to tie off that thread. These ones up here on these upper ones, doing them at the same time. But notice how you have to be careful that you don't take the thread in and out of the same spot. So if I come in one spot, I can't come out that same spot. I'll just undo what I just did. So going in this direction, it's a little easier, but there's one right there. Now I can't come up in this right corner because I just went down in it. So I'm going to have to go all the way down there in order to start that one, that next square. Can't pull the thread back through the same hole because you'll just undo the stitch you just put in. Okay, so I'm going to finish over here to the left, come back, finish this one off and tie it off. We have finished coming back across, and I have gone on the other side and pulled the thread under these over here. So I'm going to snip the end there. And I am now ready to go through and go farther down my picture. And I have some more of the light green down here. So I might go ahead and finish this thread off. And then I will start with the dark green. And the dark green number is 699. So I can go ahead and start it up here and move down. Again, the printed is very nice because there is no need for you to count. Well, how many do I need to do and then skip? How many? But then at the end, we will need to soak it to get all of this pattern ink off of here. And when we use the purely counted one, you need to count how many that you need across here. So we're making progress on this one. So I'll work on that one. I have also started on the cactus one. So I did the same exact thing with the cactus one. I started with the green up here, the same green, the 703, and went across and have completed all those. I actually did a little bit of this brown as well. Down here, this one. So I've got the brown done on this one. And I am starting the darker green. This one, so it's very, very similar. I've also done the light green up at the top and down at the bottom. So I finished with the light green on the cactus. It's part of the same kit. I haven't started the other one at all. I wanted to go through the details in doing this one right here.